Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Chase Sapphire Reserve Pay Over Time feature. This option allows you to carry a balance on certain purchases instead of paying them in full immediately. It's designed to offer flexibility for larger expenses, letting you convert them into manageable monthly payments. However, it's crucial to understand that interest charges will apply to any outstanding balance, which can increase the overall cost of your purchases. We'll dive into how it works and what to consider. So, how does pay over time actually work? Generally, eligible purchases exceeding $100 can be enrolled. You have the flexibility to choose specific transactions to carry a balance, rather than being forced to carry a balance on your entire statement. Your minimum payment due will then include a portion of this pay over time balance. Remember, interest begins to accrue daily on the outstanding amount, so it's important to be aware of that. Let's weigh the benefits and drawbacks. A major advantage is the ability to manage your cash flow for significant purchases, avoiding the need for immediate full payment. It can also help prevent late fees if you're unable to pay your entire statement balance. However, the main downside is incurring interest, which directly increases the overall cost of your items. High annual percentage rates can cause interest to accumulate quickly, making purchases considerably more expensive over time. Before you decide to use pay over time, there are a few critical things to consider. Always review the current annual percentage rate, or APRA, that applies to these balances. For very large expenses, you might explore alternative payment strategies, such as a personal loan, which could offer a lower interest rate. Aim to pay off your balance as quickly as possible to minimize those interest charges. Also, frequent use can impact your credit utilization ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.